Sean says, "Hey Bradley, what would be the pros or cons about buying niche relevant age domains, adding some basic content, and then using these as backlinks? As long as there's no cons at all, except for make sure that you are hosting them properly so that you are minimizing or eliminating your footprint. That's key for them to be effective. And then number two is, again, make sure that if you're going to buy a domain and to purchase it, to repopulate it with content, check to see what was the previous category. If it's related content, it doesn't have to be the exact same category. It just has to be relevant or related, a tangent topic, so to speak. All of that. And look at the backlink profile. Are the backlinks relevant to what the topic or the content, so the topic of the site was last time it was published online or whenever it was live, right? Are the backlinks relevant? Not all of them have to be relevant, but does it have some relevance in the backlink profile? And then if you're going to buy the domain and check Wayback Machine, look at the archive.org, look at the history of it. I don't care if it was spammed 2 times ago that it was online, but the last time that it was online, I want to make sure that it was relevant content or something related to the industry that I'm going to repopulate it with for the, whatever topic I'm going to put on it. It has to be related. Does that make sense? And make sure the backlink profile was related as well, relevant. And as long as it meets those two things, right? Or those several items, right? The last time it was published online, it wasn't spammed or something completely irrelevant. The backlink profile is relevant, or at least partially relevant, right? Then if you're going to buy that domain, then fine, buy it. Make sure you're hosting, you're eliminating or reducing footprint as much as possible. And then put what I call topic clustered sites on there, where all of the content, pick a random number. The application that I use to build the sites, we do a random number between 20 and 40. And again, I'll just go to Google and you just go to Google and do random number generator. And I just set the values from 20 to 30 or 20 to 40, excuse me. And then whatever it says, that's what we build. So 25 posts would go on that next blog. And then all of the content is developed around that particular topic, right? There can be a broad topic, but then all of the content is about that one topic. And why do I do that? Well, because now whenever you publish a post on that site, you're actually achieving relevance matching at 3 levels. The referring page, that's where the contextual link is placed. The referring domain, because if it's a topic clustered site, all of the posts on that site are in the same topical category, thereby all the satisfying page level relevance and domain level relevance at the same time from one post. And then the backlink profile is also relevant, that points to the referring domain that you published the post on. So you're looking at relevance matching at 3 levels: referring page, referring domain, and backlink profile pointing to the referring domain. That's what makes them effective. So there's really no cons in it other than make sure it's clean, relevant, and then make sure you're hiding your footprint. That's clear. And by the way, I teach exactly how to do all of that stuff in the mastermind, guys, for real. I teach all the tools that I use, exactly how I do it. Literally, if that's something you're interested in, Sean, come join the mastermind, and I'm happy to give you that training. So